Okay, we are live. Hey guys, Vincent Young here. Thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can build a highly successful affiliate marketing empire without any prior experience. And this works extremely well with free traffic. Introducing the Empire course, which is on Clickbank. So this Empire course was just launched like 2 days ago, and I actually uploaded a video, a review video in the last 24 hours, and this is the result that I've generated. In the past 24 hours, I managed to generate 7 sales promoting the Empire courses. So out of these 7 sales, 5 of them has purchased the recurring plan, and then 2 of them is the upsell. So as you know, this Empire let me give you an example. This Empire is actually paying out $17, $18.50 per month. So if I times 5, I have just added $92.50 recurring income in my passive income. So this is the power of promoting recurring affiliate products that can generate you income every month. Let me give you an overview, review of this course. This is the members area. You will be able to get access to this training once you have paid your $2 to get started, $2 trial. So the entire focus of the Empire is actually to help newbie, to help struggling marketers to make their first money online, and without using any paid course. As you know, many courses out there, right, they teach you how to use paid advertising. They ask you to buy, spend money to buy solo ads to promote products. But if you think about it, for people who are struggling, at the first place, they don't have much income. And why would they want to spend $30 to $50 upfront before they make money to buy solo ads and then to send to offers that may not make them any money? So that is one of the biggest problem that struggling or new internet marketer face, which is why I think that this strategy of using free Facebook traffic to generate income is the best way for beginners. In fact, I learned this free traffic strategy system from Virgo few months ago, and I want to share with you some of the results. So before Virgo created this Empire courses, his previous course was called 24 Hours Profit. And I actually stumbled upon his course in around October last year, and I used the free Facebook traffic to promote his previous course, which is the 24 Hours Profit. And in fact, using this method itself, I become one of the top affiliates for his course. And he actually featured me here. Let me share with you my sales using the free traffic strategy. Last month, currently is February, so last month, January, I didn't actually spend much time promoting his courses. And take a look at this. Last month itself, I made like $934 passive income, which I didn't spend much time promoting at all. So this is the power of having a recurring income by promoting affiliate products that give you a recurring payout. So let me go back to my stats here. As mentioned, I started promoting affiliate products in October last year using the free Facebook strategy taught by Virgo. So if I go back to change the date to October until today, the February, let's take a look at this. I myself was impressed because the total income that I generated, the total earning is $4,911. It's almost $5,000 just from free Facebook traffic, and this is in the US dollar. If you take a look at this, on the front end itself, 24-hour profit generate me $2,200.94, and the recurring payment actually exceed the front end offer. The reason why is because when people they purchase the front end, most of them will be continue with their subscription. So every month they will be paying you the commission. So this is the importance of this is like building up your passive income. So that is my result I gotten from the free Facebook traffic taught by Virgo. So over these past few months, I have actually utilize his free Facebook strategy and make it into my versions. So I do, the main idea is the same, is to build up your audience and then engage with people, share content, give value to the people, to promote whatever products you have. So for this product, the Empire is one of the product that you can promote once you gotten access to the training. And the payouts for the Empire, right, is that Virgo is paying, let me check, Virgo is paying 75% for every sale you make on the front end, the upsell, including the upsell and also the downsell. As for the recurring income, right, you will be getting 50% of the $37, which is around $18.50 for every sales you generate every month from the recurring commissions. So lastly, I have also created a bonus for you for anyone who purchased the Empire using my link. I have created 5 bonus for you, which is worth $4,985. The first bonus that you get is that you will be able to get access to my done for you Empire bonus funnel. Look, this funnel, I created this myself, so you won't be able to find this elsewhere. This is original, created just for this Empire, and I'm giving you access to this. So when you purchase the Empire using my name, you will be able to get access to this bonus page as well. You can upload to your ClickFunnels, and what this means is that you will be able to change the link to your Empire affiliate links, and you can send it out to your list, to your subscriber, or promote on your Facebook, and to send people to this bonus page so that they can also get the bonus. But you are the one who will be getting the affiliate commission when they buy from this page with your affiliate link. The second bonus that you will be getting is my done for you 6-figure super affiliate funnel. This funnel is I actually have showed this earlier. Let me show you how this funnel look. Let me give me a second for me to log into my ClickFunnels account. Okay, this is my ClickFunnels account. So this is the funnel bonus number 2, which you will be getting. It includes an opt-in page. So if you know, for internet marketer, it's important to build your list. And to build your list, you need to have a high converting proven opt-in page. And I have 2 opt-in page for you where you can just plug in your autoresponder and you can start collecting email lists. After that, you will redirect to a sales page. On this sales page is selling a done for you system. So what this funnel does, right, is that you will be able to put in your Stripe or PayPal, and for anyone who buy, you will be able to get the 100% commission, including the upsell, the downsell, the fulfillment, and the free training. So this is the bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is the advanced version of the free Facebook traffic secret. So Virgo teach me the basic version, and over time I have made adjustment to improve the efficiency. So in this bonus number 3, I shared it to my fans. You will be able to get access to this video bonus. Bonus number 4 is that you will be able to get access to me and my community. If you have any questions regarding internet marketing, affiliate marketing, you can ask in the group and I will answer you to help you solve your issue and help you succeed in your internet marketing journey so that you can make more passive income together as one. The last is done for you 40 bonuses, giveaway bonuses. So when you receive these 40 bonuses, right, you will be able to give them away as well. So these are the 5 bonus that I created if you purchase the Empire using my link. The website to get is I will put the link on the comment below, so that you can get access, or you can just comment Empire and I will send you a PM private message. I hope you enjoyed this live training. If you enjoy, please comment below and let me know. Vincent Young here. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next video.